The year is 2026, and wow, the landscape of artificial intelligence is absolutely incredible right now. But let's be real, it can also be completely overwhelming. You've got ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini literally everywhere you look. They are the undeniable top three contenders, but so many of us are completely stuck trying to figure out which one is actually the right tool to use. Well, I've spent hours running all three through side-by-side tests to find out exactly where each one shines and honestly where they fall completely flat.
So that brings us to the ultimate question. Which AI should you actually be using every single day? We aren't going to rely on marketing hype or corporate press releases today. Instead, we're going to uncover the real differences through practical, live examples, so you can confidently choose the absolute best one for your own personal workflow.
Here is our quick agenda for today's explainer. 1. The AI showdown begins. 2. Writing and reasoning. 3. Coding and creativity. 4. Speed and research. 5. Rankings and verdict. And 6. Which should you use?
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1. The AI showdown begins. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini.
Moving right along to Section 2, writing and reasoning tests. When we look at their actual writing styles, the differences are kind of mind-blowing. I tasked all three models with writing a professional email applying for a senior marketing position. ChatGPT gave a very good, but noticeably safe and generic response. It has a bit of a people-pleasing tendency, so it played it right down the middle. Gemini, on the other hand, leaned heavily into being overly formal. I mean, it sounded almost robotic, like a legal contract rather than a passionate applicant. But Claude provided this beautiful, natural writing. The tone was so human and authentic, it honestly felt like it was drafted by a real person who genuinely wanted the job.
Because of that highly natural flair, Claude easily takes the win for round one. It literally requires the least amount of editing to make it sound like a human being wrote it, which is exactly what you want when generating emails, articles, or reports.
Okay, for the second round, we threw a really complex logical puzzle at them. It was a classic riddle involving moving varying weights across a fragile bridge under a strict time limit. And this brilliantly illustrates the current gap in deep problem-solving skills across the market. Claude delivered the absolute best performance, really thinking through the sequential steps without hallucinating any impossible moves. ChatGPT was right on its heels, keeping pace and eventually arriving at the answer. But Gemini? It noticeably struggled to keep the constraints of the puzzle straight, actually losing track of the time limit halfway through its explanation. So the crucial takeaway is that Claude completely dominates again here in round 2. ChatGPT acts as a really solid runner-up, but if you need deep, logical thinking and step-by-step reasoning for complex problems, Claude is definitely pulling ahead of the pack right now. Let's dive into Section 3, coding and creativity.
First up here is coding ability. I asked them to write Python code for a playable terminal-based snake game. Now, this is where the race gets super tight. Both ChatGPT and Claude handled the task flawlessly. They wrote clean, functional, well-commented code that ran perfectly on the very first try. Gemini was just a little slightly behind. The logic was mostly there, but it required a bit of manual debugging to actually get the game running smoothly without any errors. Because of those incredibly close results, it is a dead heat in the coding department. Both ChatGPT and Claude performed exceptionally well, making either of them a fantastic choice if you're writing, reviewing, or debugging software. Next, we tested their creative limits by giving them a highly imaginative task: writing a short sci-fi story about a time traveler who accidentally loses their keys in the Jurassic period. And you know what? We see a very similar pattern emerge when we shift from strict code to pure imagination. If you're looking for highly creative, unpredictable, and engaging storytelling, both ChatGPT and Claude are just excellent. They both added brilliant plot twists. ChatGPT focused on the comedic panic of the situation, while Claude spun this incredibly clever paradox about a dinosaur finding the keys. Gemini remains decent, sure, but it's noticeably more restricted in its output, playing the narrative a bit too safe to be truly engaging. So, ChatGPT and Claude are for sure your go-to options for creative work and brainstorming. Moving into Section 4, speed and research abilities. Now this is where the dynamic totally shifts. Gemini finally flexes its muscles, completely blowing past the others in raw response time. I mean, it is blazing fast, generating entire paragraphs in milliseconds. ChatGPT comes in second place, providing a really brisk and comfortable pace. Claude is noticeably slower, but remember, it trades that immediate speed to give you the higher quality, deep-thinking answers we saw in the earlier rounds. But hey, if you need an answer right this exact second, Gemini wins hands down. But what about actually knowing what's happening in the world today? When it comes to real-time research and up-to-date knowledge, Gemini boasts the absolute best real-time web access. If you ask about a breaking news event from this morning or current stock market trends, it knows instantly. Meanwhile, both ChatGPT and Claude still face some notable limitations and occasional delays when pulling the most current web data, sometimes relying on slightly outdated caches. Because of that, Gemini takes a definitive win here. Its seamless integration with the Google search ecosystem makes it an unmatched powerhouse when you need fast, highly current answers and up-to-the-minute research.
All right, Section 5, Final Rankings and Verdict.
The tests are done, the scores are tallied, and let's summarize our findings for 2026. Claude takes the crown as the best overall tool for writing, deep thinking, and serious focused work. ChatGPT proves to be the most balanced and versatile. It's your ultimate all-arounder that performs exceptionally well in almost every category. And Gemini? It is simply best in class for research, tapping into that Google ecosystem and providing those lightning-fast answers.
And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates the absolute best part of 2026. You don't actually have to choose just one, because they are all completely free to access. You have the luxury of leveraging the distinct strengths of every single one of them, depending on exactly what your task demands in that specific moment.
Finally, Section 6. Which should you use? So, here's my personal recommendation to really maximize your efficiency. Map the AI directly to the specific task you're doing. Boot up Claude for your writing, report drafting, and deep, serious coding work. Use ChatGPT as your reliable daily driver for varied tasks, creative brainstorming, and general inquiries. And definitely jump over to Gemini when you need immediate research, live data, or have quick questions about breaking current events.
If you found this comparison helpful and want to dive deeper, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, make sure to catch our next explainer, where we're going to break down exactly how to use ChatGPT for complete beginners in a detailed step-by-step guide.
But before you go, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which AI are you currently using and why? Has this breakdown changed your mind at all? If you've been loyal to just one chatbot, do you think you're leaving performance on the table? Let me know which of these tools is going to reshape your workflow tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next explainer.